Hi everyone, and welcome to Trains Are Awesome. Let's talk about the Pere Marquette today. You know, the Amtrak train that runs between Chicago in Illinois and Grand Rapids in Michigan. The Pere Marquette is a very popular route, though I guess not popular enough for the state to fund extra frequencies. On a normal day, the trains are run with the Siemens Charger locomotives, which I think look good enough. But what happens when these locomotives break, or can't be used for whatever reason? Well, Amtrak has backup locomotives, and on January 9th, 2022, I checked Facebook and saw that they were putting in an old locomotive, the GE-8, which currently is mostly just used for switching maneuvers. So I hopped on a rental bike and went to check it out. If you love train travel, hit that subscribe button. We upload at least once a week, and this way you won't miss any of our content. You can also join our community on Patreon. Your support gives you access to cool features such as early video releases. And finally, follow us on our social media, Instagram and TikTok.